Just to confuse you, I'll do it from the other side. So you can see here, we're moving the weight from the front leg to the back leg by sitting. When the weight's on the back leg, we start to turn, but keep the arms on the center line. And the foot will follow. And you want to get it round as much as it'll go, as it will go. So this is important. Now, all the weight is still on this leg. So it's a very contracted, concentrated position with the knees inwards. When we turn our center line and the arms go with. Not like this. Forward. Go back. Leave your hands there as if someone's holding your fingers. And then put the weight on the back leg, turn the waist, and bring the foot right in. When you do this posture, make sure that your feet are shoulder width. Otherwise your hips won't turn properly. So if I step too narrow when I try and turn, I'm going to be leaning to the side because there's no space for the hips to turn. This problem starts here. If you bring your foot in, then you're doing this, then this kind of thing. So you can't move properly because there's not enough space on between the feet. Then you're going to do this. This all starts with the first step. From here. If you bring your foot in, you're going to do, it'll all be wrong. So mind your step from the very beginning. From here, make sure your foot goes straight. Then from here, this stays in the same place. This comes round, turn, round, and then we go round. There must be enough space for this foot to come in. Roll back. So the upper and lower body must move in unison. So we turn and connect tightly here. Then I just sink into the front leg. And as I do, the hands come back. Not like this and not like this. Ward off. Yeah, so there's a space. So from here, just sink. And as you go back, the hands follow. What normally happens is this. So upper and lower are not moving with the center. And I'll talk more about maintaining the center in a later video. So from here, weights on the left leg, and you just sit. And everything will come together. And Michelle will now demonstrate some of the things not to do. Bringing the arm back. Once you are here, the elbow shouldn't really move. So as you go back, you just form ward off. Okay, that's good. So you can see we're moving from the center, moving the hips. That will turn the whole body. And then you close as tightly as you can at the top of the thigh. So you can see she was swinging her arms and sticking her elbows out. So the arms are not aligned, they're moving separately, and the elbows are moving out. So, yeah, so it's connected to the center.